We all love hearing about horsepower wars and wild new tech, right? But what about the one thing that actually matters? Reliability. Because, let's be real, that dream car you're eyeing? It might be a ticking time bomb designed to fail the minute the warranty expires. And suddenly you're looking at a repair bill that costs more than the car payment. You know that feeling? You hit 100,000 miles and instead of celebrating, your stomach drops with every new rattle and squeak. That's not owning a car, that's being held hostage by it. But what if it didn't have to be like that? A few cars out there were built differently. They're powered by legendary engines designed to go the distance. Today, we're counting down the top 5 cars that have the best shot at hitting 250,000 miles, and then some. Let's get to it. And hey, if you're into cars that don't quit and want to make a smarter buy, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. We drop guides like this every week to help you own the road and your wallet. Car number 5. Lexus IS. Coming in at number 5, we've got a car that proves you don't have to choose between luxury and longevity. The Lexus IS. It's easy to get distracted by the fancy interior and that premium badge, but underneath all that style is the heart of a marathon runner. Recent studies show the Lexus IS has an impressive 27.5% chance of hitting 250,000 miles. That's about 5.7 times better than the average vehicle. So what's the secret? It all comes down to the powertrain. As Toyota's luxury division, Lexus gets the benefit of decades of engineering focused squarely on reliability. Many IS models, especially the IS 350, come with a version of Toyota's legendary 2GR V6 engine family. Take the 3.5-liter 2GR FSE, for instance. It's such a robust and proven design that other car makers have even used it. This engine uses a timing chain, so you don't have to worry about a timing belt snapping and leaving you stranded, or worse. Plus, it's naturally aspirated, so you don't have the added complexity and stress of a turbo. The philosophy is simple. Use proven, overbuilt parts that are designed to handle way more stress than they'll ever see in daily driving. Now, no engine is perfect. Some early versions of the 2GR had a VVTi oil line that was recalled, but it was fixed with a simple metal part, and the core engine design is absolutely solid. With basic maintenance like regular oil changes, these engines cruise past 200,000 miles with no drama, and many push 300,000 or more. J.D. Power even gave the 2015 IS 350 a stellar reliability score of 84 out of 100, and its reputation holds up, with recent studies from 2026 naming the Lexus IS the most dependable model overall. It's proof that you can have a comfortable, fun sedan without the anxiety. Car number 4, Toyota Tundra. Next up, a truck that's basically become a legend for simply refusing to die, the Toyota Tundra. In the tough world of pickups, the Tundra is known for being functionally immortal. Data shows the Tundra has an incredible chance of hitting that 250,000-mile mark, and it's always at the top of the list for truck longevity. Owners often report sailing past 300,000 miles with just routine maintenance. The engine that built this reputation is the iconic 4.7-liter 2 UZF-EV8, which powered the first-gen Tundras. This thing wasn't designed for flashy horsepower numbers or crazy MPG. It was designed to be unbreakable. While a lot of modern engines use aluminum blocks to save weight, the 2 UZF-E has a burly cast iron block. That gives it incredible strength to handle the heat and stress of heavy towing day in and day out. With a forged steel crankshaft and overbuilt internals, this V8 was made to work hard without breaking a sweat. The goal was durability, not peak power. The proof? There are multiple Tundras out there with this engine that have crossed 1 million miles on the original powertrain. Let that sink in. The one big-ticket maintenance item is the timing belt, which needs changing around every 90,000 miles. But here's the good news. It's a non-interference engine. That means if the belt snaps, you'll be stranded, but your engine won't grenade itself. Later Tundras, including those with the 5.7-liter V8 and the new 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, carry on this legacy, but it was the 2 UZF-E that cemented the Tundra as the truck that just won't quit. Car number 3. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Entering our top 3 is a vehicle that completely busts the myth that hybrids are fragile. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid. This family hauler isn't just good for your gas bill, it's fantastic for your wallet in the long run. The Highlander Hybrid has a remarkable 31.0% chance of reaching 250,000 miles, making it 6.5 times more likely to hit that milestone than the average vehicle. The secret sauce is Toyota's Hybrid Synergy Drive, a system they've been perfecting for over 2 decades. The Highlander Hybrid often uses a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine from the A25A FXS family, paired with tough, maintenance-free electric motors. This engine runs on the Atkinson cycle, which is all about thermal efficiency, squeezing every last bit of energy from each drop of fuel. This gives it 2 huge reliability advantages. First, the gas engine isn't doing all the work. The electric motors help with acceleration, which dramatically cuts down on stress and wear. At low speeds, the car can run on just electricity, giving the engine a complete break. Second, let's talk about the transmission. It's an ECVT, an electronic, continuously variable transmission. But forget everything you think you know about CVTs. Toyota's version doesn't use the belts and pulleys that can fail. It's a much simpler and tougher system of planetary gears that is famously bulletproof. Some mechanics say it can last 500,000 miles with proper care. And what about the battery? That's the #1 worry for most hybrid buyers, right? Well, Toyota backs them with a 10-year, 150,000-mile warranty. But it's not unusual to see them go well past 200,000 or even 300,000 miles. Car number 2. Toyota 4Runner. Coming in at number 2 is the legendary 4Runner. This off-road icon is just as happy crawling over rocks as it is piling on highway miles. It has a staggering 26.8% chance of hitting 250,000 miles, a true testament to Toyota's build it once, build it right philosophy. For years, the heart of the 4Runner was the 4.0-liter 1G RFE V6. Ask any mechanic, and they'll tell you this engine is over-engineered. A fancy way of saying it's built way tougher than it needs to be for normal driving. It uses a timing chain that, as long as you keep up with oil changes, should last the life of the engine. But its real secret weapon? It barely changed. For over a decade, Toyota stuck with the same proven powertrain, perfecting it instead of jumping to new, unproven tech. That means the platform is incredibly well understood, parts are everywhere, and most of the kinks have been worked out for a long time. Now, it's not totally perfect. Some 4th-gen models can have frame rust issues in salty climates, and the transmission solenoids can be a weak spot after a ton of miles, but these are well-known manageable problems. The engine and drivetrain at its core? Yeah, that's pretty much unkillable. It's common to see 4Runners with 300,000 miles or more still hitting the trails and running daily errands without a problem. For many, the 4Runner isn't just a car, it's a lifetime ticket to adventure. Car number 1. Toyota Sequoia. And here it is, the undisputed king of going the distance. The #1 most reliable vehicle with an engine built to last forever is the Toyota Sequoia. This full-size SUV is an absolute titan, with an almost unbelievable 39.1% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. To put that in perspective, that's over 8 times higher than the average vehicle. The Sequoia isn't just reliable, it's playing a completely different game. The foundation for this legendary toughness, especially in the first 2 generations from 2001 to 2022, is pure V8 muscle. The first-gen models use the same bomb-proof 4.7-liter 2 UZF-E V8 from the Tundra with its cast-iron block. The second-gen offered a 4.6-liter or the mighty 5.7-liter 3 URF-E V8, both continuing the tradition of over-engineered strength. Just like its Tundra cousin, these engines were built to work hard. The whole philosophy was strength and torque first, everything else second. What that means is, in your daily commute, the engine isn't even breaking a sweat. That leads to incredibly low wear and tear over hundreds of thousands of miles. Owners consistently say the Sequoia can easily hit 300,000 miles without major problems, Even the newest third-gen Sequoia with the twin-turbo V6 hybrid is built on this foundation. But the jury's still out on its long-term track record. But if you want a proven, time-tested machine that's as close to a forever car as you can get, a first or second-gen Sequoia is it. Aside from some rust concerns on early models and changing the timing belt on the 4.7-liter V8, its track record is nearly flawless. It's the ultimate choice for anyone who needs maximum space, capability, and the absolute best odds of a lifetime of service. So there you have it. 5 machines that prove 250,000 miles doesn't have to be the end of the road. It can be just the beginning. From the sleek Lexus IS to the indestructible Toyota Sequoia, they all share the same DNA: proven engines, a focus on durability over flashy gimmicks, and a track record of real-world results. But what do you think? What high-mileage heroes did we miss? If you're driving a car with a crazy number on the odometer, tell us your story in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you want more guides to help you pick a car that's truly built to last, make sure you're subscribed with that notification bell on. We've got a deep dive into the most reliable American trucks coming up next, and you don't want to miss it. Until then, drive smart and drive on.